back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correct a needle abnormal error that may come up on your Meistergram Gem Series machine. If you received the needle position abnormal error on your control panel, it's possible that you don't have a physical needle selected on the machine. In order to correct this, we'll do the following. First, clear the message out by pressing on the back key on the message. Next, locate the needle icon. You'll notice that there's no indicator next to the needle. This means that we do not have a needle in place and we'll need to make a correction. To make a correction, locate the manual color change knob, normally located behind head number 1. Once you've located this knob, simply turn the knob. Once a needle position has been reached, you'll notice a number comes up next to the needle. This means we have a needle in position and we're ready to go. To test the machine, you may press on one of the needle numbers on the bottom of the screen. If the machine completes a function, this means the machine is back to regular working order. That concludes how to fix a needle abnormal error on the screen. Hope you've liked the video and found it useful. Don't forget to click like, turn on your notifications for other videos, and subscribe to our page.